All right, today we're having a quick look at the eSam Core car mount. This has a special feature to it that you might not have seen before. So assembly is actually very straightforward. At first, it might be overwhelming looking at all these pieces, but basically this piece just screws into the bottom here. This is your cup holder mount. So this will fit down into pretty much any size cup holder in your vehicle, and then to tighten it into the actual cup holder, you twist that, and you can see that these pads then come out, and it's going to apply pressure inside that cup holder. This has got silicone on it, so it's non-slip, and then it's going to hold your tablet and drink holder like this. It's all very adjustable. You can put it in whatever position you want. This is the arm for the tablet, so we turn it to what angle we want. We'll probably want our tablet up like this, and then this guy, push the ball in there, and then you tighten it down. This kind of works like a standard phone holder or tablet holder. This just slides out, so you'll slide the bottom of your tablet in there, and then it's got these rubberized grippies. It gets huge, so it's going to fit any size tablet that you want. And then the cup holder also ratchets to whatever size you want. So if you got the big gulp, that'll fit in there too. It gets nice and big. Let's see on the max setting. What's max setting? Oh my gosh, okay. So that's the biggest thing it'll fit. It'll fit like a bowl in there if you want. And it'll tighten up nice and tight for your skinnier cups too. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this up in our vehicle and see what it looks like. All right, and here's how it looks all configured in our Silverado 1500. And I'm actually really surprised how tight you can get this little clamp at the bottom. I mean, you can really crank it down. It's not going anywhere. I couldn't pull it out if I tried. It's got so much force. And what's great about this configuration here is if you've got kids in the back, you can see we've got kid seats. This provides a convenient mount for the tablet for them to watch. It's also in a spot where you can make changes to it if you want to. Of course, you need to be keeping your eyes on the road, but you can make changes to this. They're not going to be messing with it, and you can put on a show for them. So that's what I like the most about this. And then the cup holder is pretty handy too. It's easy to adjust on the fly to fit whatever cup you need. It's got these little silicone grips in there too, so once your cup is in there, it's not going anywhere. Here's a look from the back. It's a pretty big truck, so it's up there a ways, but it makes for a convenient spot to put the kids' shows on when we go for trips. Definitely a big thumbs up, and huge thanks to the brand for sending this out to review.